Hi everyone, so now I'm gonna talk about a problem called letter combinations. If you wanna know the best resources, the best problems, the quickest way to get a job at a big tech company, so without going over hundreds of useless problems, take a look at the description below. I have a video where I explain how I got a job at Microsoft using those tips that I'll give to you guys. So without further ado, let's take a look at a problem called letter combinations. This is really cool because we all seen those ads in television where instead of saying the number, they say like a word. So call 123 love 567. So that's a great way for you to remember because you just look at the letters that are besides the number, can you remember the numbers more easily. So what they want you to do is to, based on numbers, create all the possible combinations of letters that you can form from those numbers. So for example, 2 and 3, we can form A and D, which is the first letter, A and E, A and F, B and D, so on and so forth. So we know when we're trying different possibilities, recursion is the best solution. So a great way to start is by having that template we always have. So a base case, a else statement, a for loop, you append, you recurse, and you pop. If you don't know about this template, take a look at this recursion playlist from the beginning. Look at subsets, combination, sum, they all have the same template. And with this template, you can solve recursion problems faster. So let's take a look. Let's use the debugger, the best way to learn what's going on inside the code. So if you want to take a look at the code, it's on the GitHub, which is also in the description. So if we have a hash map where we map the number to the corresponding letters. So basically we're going to use those letters in our recursive call. So let's take a look how that looks like. So we call the recursion. And if the length of temp is our temporary array, equals length of phone, we append that to our answer. Otherwise, we're going to loop through the letters of the phone of the current number. So the first number is 2. So the first letter is A. We append that to temp. And now we're going to recursively call with 3. So we're incrementing the position. So we say phone post. So now phone 1 equals 3. We're going to iterate through all the letters of 3, which is D, the first letter. And we're going to now backtrack. Now it's E. We're going to add E to A. And we're going to keep, so I'll put a breakpoint here. So at each iteration, we get the combination we're looking for. So follow the template. If a certain base case, in this case, if the temporary list equals the size of the phone, we append that to the answer. Otherwise, we do a for loop and recurse. So my goal here, a lot of the other YouTube channels of code, they want to like really explain. So the people I'm aiming this at is people who are already familiar with algorithms, but want to find a very easy to understand solution, understand using the debugger. So I hope this was useful to you. See you in the next video.